Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Still going with the new thing. Tell you a joke. Hope I can make you laugh. Hope I can cheer you guys up. So, I've just started a job at a salad packing factory. The hours are terrible, but the salary's good. Laugh. Laugh. Thank you. Anyway, guys, if you think you've got any better jokes than that, feel free to drop them down in the comment section, along with your name as well. And when I get round to it, I will read a few of your jokes. At the moment, I have sort of got a bit of paper with 10 different jokes on, so I'm trying to get through that. Then I'm hoping by saying leave your jokes in the comment section below and I'll read them out, give you a shout out as well. I'm hoping that will sort of get a bit more interaction. Oh, and I forgot to mention, guys, keep them nice and clean. I don't want any racist jokes or sexist jokes or what like that. Just want them to be nice, funny jokes that'll make people laugh. Hopefully they'll make me laugh as well. If you all probably haven't already heard, I am going through a hard time at the moment. Yeah. Just gonna say, my girlfriend's been lying to me, so I've had to give her the Spanish Archer, the elbow. God's sake, my jokes are shit. Anyway, got Fantasia Fairground here, shut today. Actually, I don't even know if they are ever open, actually. That's one point. You never see them open. The arcade, however, that is open with all the different machines. And of course, the most annoying arcade machine in the world, the claw machine. Absolutely blooming hate that thing. Seems like they've also stuck some new toys in them. I think there's some Tom and Jerry toys in the one, Sonic the Hedgehog in another, and there's actually one with Baby Yoda toys. Oh man, now that's going to make me want to go in there and spend all my money trying to win a Baby Yoda toy, because Baby Yoda's amazing. Anyway, enough said about that. You do have the beautiful Hotel Bellboy across the road, and the bowling alley as well, which is shut today, but I've been told it's quite a good bowling alley actually. Haven't been bowling for a while actually. Anyway, carrying on down Avenida Mediterranea now. We are sort of coming to the English side of it now, like the Rincon de Louis area of Avenida Mediterranea. You do of course have the big roundabout just here, and of course Avenida de Europa across the road. Where to cross, do I use the lights or do I just do what everyone else doesn't cross here? Sod it. Shit. You do as well have this big car park down here, which I think is mostly used for people going to the beach for a day out. Got that. Me and Mike went metal detecting last night. Didn't really go to plan. Sun was too hot. Beach was still quite busy. It got up 5:30. And because it was super hot, I started feeling a little bit ill. So then of course Mike started getting a bit stressed because nothing was really working. So I ended up meeting up with Skipper Sue again, heading off home, and he comes home at but I think it was 11:30 he got back, and we're like, well, did you find anything? Apparently he found €4.20. That was made up in a €2 coin, 2 €1 coins, and 2 10-cent coins. He found a few bottle tops, a few ring pulls off your cans of pop as well, and not one of them wire things you can get off the Palmain bottles over here. So, sort of successful, sort of not successful. Gonna end the video here. So guys, hit the like, subscribe, see you in the next one.